Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. Today, we're diving into another trouble code, P0121. If your check engine light is on and you've scanned the code P0121, you might be dealing with a throttle position sensor issue. But don't worry. In this video, we'll break down what this code means, causes, and how you can fix it. Let's get started. So what does P0121 actually mean? This code stands for Throttle Pedal Position Sensor, a circuit range performance problem. In simple terms, your engine control module, or ECM, is detecting irregular voltage from the throttle position sensor. This sensor plays a crucial role in managing airflow and fuel delivery, so when it malfunctions, you're going to notice performance issues. Common causes for P0121. Number 1. Faulty throttle position sensor. The sensor may be worn out, sending incorrect voltage readings. Use a multimeter to check TPS voltage. Should read around 0.5 AV at idle and increase smoothly as you press the throttle. If the readings are erratic, replace the sensor. Number 2. Dirty or sticking throttle body. Carbon buildup can cause the throttle plate to stick or move irregularly. Remove the throttle body and check for carbon buildup. Clean it using a throttle body cleaner and a soft cloth. Ensure the throttle plate moves freely. Number 3. Wiring or connector issues. Corroded, damaged, or loose wires in the TPS circuit can lead to erratic readings. Look for any damaged, corroded, or loose connections in the TPS circuit. Repair or replace any faulty wiring. Number 4. Failed accelerator pedal position sensor. If the vehicle has an electronic throttle, a bad app sensor can mimic TOPS issues. If your car has an electronic throttle, check the app sensor for any fault codes or inconsistent readings. Number 5. Vacuum leaks. Leaks in the intake system can affect airflow and sensor readings. Spray carb cleaner around intake hoses and the throttle body while the engine is running. If the idle fluctuates, there is a vacuum leak that needs fixing. If the P0121 code returns after repairs, or if the throttle system is electronic and complex, a professional diagnostic scan and testing may be required. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe.